Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today we take a look at the euro currency. First, in the beginning of the video, I would like to make a note. I contacted to Roger. He's stuck in one of the emerging Asia countries and has limited access to the internet. So, as you know, the borders are closed, so he just can't leave this country, and asked him to pardon him. And he just, when he will return back to home, so we were established, we keep up with our signal service. So this topic is valid, it's not disappeared, it's not cancelled. We continue to do this, but just we have currently, as you understand, the technical problems, and we hope that Roger will come back soon and healthy. So let's just wait and stay in touch. We definitely will inform you when Roger will continue to provide the signals. So now let's take a look on the euro. In a weekly report, we talked on some specific moments, not only on the euro, but in general on the forex market, because, as we said, dollar index is coming to very important resistance area. And the price action, the dollar index around this area, will set the new direction, because the breakout of the conference resistance on the monthly chart for the dollar suggests that appreciation of the dollar will continue and all other currencies should go down, while respect and pullback, or maybe the end of the upward trend of the dollar there, leads to appreciation of other currencies and decreasing of the value of the dollar. Currently, it's obviously that probably it stands in some relation to the pandemic progression, what will happen. So if we will not see some second wave of this virus spreading or something of that sort, and it will be everything will go on a light scenario. So in this case, we probably could wait some reestablishment of the normal economic conditions, while opposite scenarios suggest a different type of action. So now we need just to see and sit on the hands and see what will happen on the longer term. In the shorter term, while market stands in the wide range of this action, as we discussed also in our weekly report, we said that everything that we could do is just to trying to trade and keep an eye on some minor steps. Thus, in the beginning of this week, we expect some pullback as a response on the daily average sold. So, although we suggest that currently we have the bearish setup, just because this drop doesn't correspond to the bullish patterns that we have on the weekly chart, we talked about this as well. But as market stands the result, probably some minor pullback here could happen, where we consider possible taking the short position. If you'll take a look at Great British Pound, guys, here is also the pullback seems logic, because take a look on the 5-hour time frame chart, we see some pullback here on last week, but market hasn't completed, so butterfly is not valid anymore. But we have the XLP, and XLP has not been hit. So theoretically, following the logic of this pattern, market could return right back up to hit the XLP target. Simultaneously, it could start to form some reversal pattern, for example, hand shoulders. Who knows? It's one of the scenarios. But first is the reaching of the XLP, as it suggests a possible upward action in the euro currencies as well. Market could show the pullback. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see it stands around the 618 support. Our next target, as we said, will be XLP. It's 106.85, and then its bottom is 106.35. So these areas will be next destination point. But today we consider it's possible pullback. On the hourly chart, it takes the clear shape of the double bottom. Let's take a look here. Is also we have minor washing into these lows. It's very typical for the double bottom pattern. It's very good divergence. Everything stands as it should be. And now market's breaking the neckline. Approximate target will be resistance cluster of 108.90, 109.35. It's confluence resistance. And also, if you calculate the target of the double bottom, that's well leads you directly right to this area. So as you know, the target stands equal to the depth of the passion. So from the bottom of the passion right to the neckline, counted in direction of the breakout will give you the classical target. So it stands approximately in the same area. That's what we'll keep an eye on today. Sit for this pullback and see what response will follow on this confidence area. This approximately level where we considered possible taking the short position. So we'll see how the situation will develop.